Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on Windows. So if your Wi-Fi says connected but websites are not loading, just follow the simple fixes. First, restart your computer. For that you need to click on the start menu, select the power button, tap on restart. This can fix temporary network glitches that stop the internet from working properly. Next, make sure airplane mode is turned off. Click on Wi-Fi and then check that the airplane mode is disabled. After that, forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. For that, you need to click on the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar. Select the arrow next to Wi-Fi. Find your connected Wi-Fi network, right-click on it and then tap on Forget Network. And then you can select the same Wi-Fi network again, enter your password and then click Connect. If the issue still continues, try resetting your network settings. For that, you need to go to Settings, click on Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Settings, click on Network Reset, and then tap on the Reset Now button. So those were some easy ways to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Windows. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.